Before we dive into bash scripting, it's important to set up the right environment. Your environment includes the tools and configurations necessary for writing and running bash scripts. Bash is primarily used in Unix-based operating systems like Linux and macOS. If you're on Windows, you can use WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, or other bash emulators. Let's start by opening the terminal. In Linux and macOS, you can find it in the Applications or System Tools menu. In Windows, you can use the Windows Terminal or WSL Terminal. Before scripting, let's get comfortable with some basic commands. pwd shows the current directory, ls lists files, and cd is used to change directories. lsla is my favorite, which lists directories in long format, and with a, which shows hidden directories and files. cd, the cd command in Linux stands for change directory. It is used to change the current directory of the terminal. The terminal, by default, opens the home directory. Man, the man command in Linux is used to display the user manual of any command that we can run on the terminal. It provides a detailed view of the command. To write bash scripts, you'll need a text editor. You can use the built-in editors like Nano or Vim in the terminal, or you can use GUI-based editors like VS Code or Sublime Text. Now, let's create your first bash script. We'll use a nonare to write a script that prints, "Hello, my first script," to the terminal. Start with the shebang, which is #! followed by /bin/bash. Save this script to a file to filename.sh and make it executable using the chmod + x filename. Now that you've set up your bash environment, you're ready to start scripting. Don't forget to practice and explore the terminal and text editors. In the next video, we'll dive into writing more bash script. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy scripting!